Okay, students, in our electrochemistry chapter, today we'll learn about Nernst equation. Okay, how it is formed. Let's start. Okay, students, in our online chemistry class today, we'll discuss Nernst equation from electrochemistry. Okay, so what is Nernst equation? Actually, it is the dependence of electrode potential and EMF on concentration and temperature. Okay, so it is the you can write from equation, say for example AA plus BB is taking CC and DD. For this equation you can write the actually delta G value is equals to delta G0 plus RT ln Q. Okay, now Q stands for the quotient of concentrations, okay, and minus delta G is the decrease of free energy accompanying with this process, and minus delta G0 is a decrease in free energy accompanying the same process when all the reactants and products are in their standard states. So from here we can write a value delta G equals to minus NFE and this one is equals to minus NFE0 plus RT ln, and Q is the concentration of C to the power C, concentration of D to the power D by concentration of A to the power A and concentration of B to the power B. So from here, as we all know, delta G equal to minus NFE0 or minus delta G equal to NFE, and if we divide it with minus NFE, we will get E equals to E0 minus RT by NF ln this Q value. Okay, now from here, by putting the values of these, you can get E0 equals to E0. Now converting his all values into log value, if we take for example, so 2.303, then it will become log, okay, L into log concentration RT by NF B. Now from here, by putting these values of RT NF at 25 degrees centigrade, taking this temperature at 25 degrees centigrade, so considering this temperature at 25 degrees centigrade, we will get the values E0 minus 2.303 into the R value in 8.314 joule per Kelvin mole inverse, and it's the number of mole, and this one should be 96500 coulomb per mole, and temperature should be at 25 degrees centigrade, it should be 298 Kelvin log So this is system. Now from here, by calculating this value, all this value will get E0 minus 0.0591 by n log so this is one of the format at 25 degrees centigrade for the Nernst equation. Now, so this will be the word into Nernst equation. Okay. So if you are continuing from this point, and for a general reaction, effect of electrolyte concentration on electrode potential, if we write, and then say for example Mn plus in aqueous system losing n electrons from M. This is only in aqueous system and this one is our solid. Okay. Now from here we can write that E equals to E0 minus RT by NF ln the concentration of products by concentration of reactants. This is you can write. Okay. So from here, if we put the values over here, we'll get so RT by NF ln concentration of M already given and by the concentration of Mn plus. Okay. Now here the concentration of pure solids and liquids are taken as unity. This concentration of pure solids and liquid taken as unity. So we will get this value converted into RT by NF ln 1 by concentration of Mn plus. Okay. By so this will convert into the value E0. This will be plus if we take 2.303. If we convert it into logarithmic system, then NF log, this will be plus and this will be in the upper side Mn plus. So this is the value. Okay. So this is another form of Nernst equation. Okay. So now after that, if we convert it into the whole value, it will become 0.0591 by n log concentration of N plus. So students, this is the another value, the formation. This equation can be used as a calculate the electrode potential of electrode having concentration of other than 1 molar. Okay. If the concentration other than 1 molar, you can calculate its value. So this will be the Nernst equation, okay, from electrochemistry chapter, okay, and this shows the dependence of electrode potential and EMF on concentration and temperature. Okay, hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to share it. Okay, bye. So hope you have understand. This is another form of Nernst equation in redox system. It is given here. Okay, and this is the another form of Nernst equation. We have already discussed it. So hope you have liked it. Please subscribe my channel and share. Thank you.